How to fix the brightness is not working on your Windows 11 laptop. So if you're unable to change your brightness or it keeps changing automatically, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and open up your Start menu and then click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on System. Now click on Display, and right at the top here, you'll see the brightness. Now typically, you should be able to go and adjust this brightness slider. If it's not working, you can click on the drop-down arrow, and if you have any settings here relating to automatic brightness, make sure they're turned off and disabled. So I'm going to click on this drop down here and just press off. Now if it's still not working, go and close out of this window. You can then open up your Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window. Now next to Display Adapters, click on the drop down arrow. You'll then see your graphics card from the list. Go and right click on this. Now press Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers and press Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You'll then need to select the Microsoft Display Adapter and go and press Next. Once you've done this, you can try restarting your PC and you can check to see if you can now adjust the brightness. If it's still not working, open back up your Start menu and go and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, select Windows Update and press the Check for Updates button. If there's any updates available, you'll need to go and install these now, as sometimes outdated software can cause the brightness issue. Now, if it's still not working, the final solution is to go and open up the Start menu, search for CMD, and then you'll need to right-click on the command prompt and go and run this as an administrator. Now from this black window here, we need to go and type in the following command. Type in sfc space / scan now and then go and press enter. Now this is going to scan all of your core Windows system files, and basically if anything's damaged or corrupted, it's going to repair them in this window here. So just wait for this verification to get to 100%. You can then finally restart your computer and your brightness should now be working.